Okay folks, today we're going to do a review of a T-fal Infinity Force 10 with 550 watts. And so this is a pretty sweet little blender. It's totally modular, as you can see, and you can fit your little sweet things inside. Pretty great. And this all comes apart just here on the bottom. So, yep, okay, here we go. So what happened was we broke some glass, but then you can buy it all separately. Try not to cut ourselves. See, look at this. Pretty sweet, folks. Pretty sweet. So this is the T-fal. Oop, see that comes out of there. So that's how you replace it. Just put in that gasket. Provide the gasket with it. And you don't need to buy this separately. This part, it comes included in the whole kit. Be careful when you're doing that. You just drop that in there, slide in your new piece, and it just fits on there. Same pieces, as you can see. Just fits. Just locks in, and then you just go for it, and then then it just blends. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.